Okay, now I'm recording. I'm recording. Okay. So, uh, so how can we find so how can we find the command on the AutoCAD for the three-dimensional drawing? So at first, I have to tell you, this workspace is for the two-dimensional drawing. And here you can see this this place. This place here is some functions about the open, save, and the print. And here is a button. You can click here and you can see the customer quick access toolbar. Now you can see the command with this symbol. How to say this symbol? Uh, is on the screen, and you can choose the workspace here. Now you can see this workspace is for drafting and annotation. For drafting and annotation. Also, you can choose many function many commands such as you can show the menu bar. You can see there is a menu. There are many commands that the same with this. Okay. So now we get the workspace. We can change our workspace. So now you can see here is the drafting and annotation, and this one is three-dimensional basis, and this one is three-dimensional modeling. Okay, and also you can customize your personal workspace. It's okay. You can change the settings of the workspace. Okay, so now we are going to change our workspace into three-dimensional basics. Okay, I click here. It has been changed into three-dimensional basics. What is the difference between the three-dimensional basics and three-dimensional modeling? I think they are the same. The three-dimensional basics is the simplify of 3D modeling. You can see the commands are simple. You can see there are not so many commands here. But if you use the if you choose the three-dimensional modeling, you can see many commands for you, many commands for you. Because 3D drawing is a very complex procedure, including the solid, the surface, the mesh, including all things. So as for us, we are concentrate on how to draw the solids, the solids. So the surface and the mesh, you can try it by yourself. We concentrate on the solid. Okay, so we can use in that way we can use the 3D basics. 3D basics. It is just for the solid. Uh, okay, so now you can see there are many functions. So at first, we are going to find a way to observe the observe the project from many different directions. Because for the two-dimensional drawing, we can see it from only one direction. It is the top view. Top view. You can see here. It means that we see a drawing from top. Okay, so now you can see this wheel is the same with the two-dimensional drawing. Okay, is the with the is same, and here you can see here is a place to change the direction of view and the direction and the type of view. Okay, you can here you can click here and you can see the wheel cube. Wheel cube means this one, this one. It can change the wheel. You can use this cube to change the wheel. And here is the navigation bar. Navigation bar is this part, this part. And also we can use steering wheels. Steering wheels. Uh, uh, it's okay. You can use it. But we don't always use it. We don't always use it. And I will try it later. I'll try it later. So now, I'm going to use the navigation bar and the cube and the wheel cube to now you can, yes, the wheel cube. You can cancel it. You can cancel it or not. Now we are going to use the wheel cube and the navigation bar to change the wheels. To change the wheels. Here, you can see the top and this triangle. You can click here. It means that you have changed the wheel into front wheel, and also you can click here. It means that you change it into the left wheel, and then click here. It's the top. Also, it is the top wheel, but the direction is different from the beginning. And I can change the directions with these two arrows. Now I can click here. It comes back. So the wheel cube is a best way to change your wheel, to change your observe direction of observe. Also, you can see the west, north, southeast, southeast. And so this is the how to use the wheel wheel cube. Here is a navigation bar. Navigation bar. We always use this orbit. Now, if I click here the orbit, I can change the wheels, drag the screen, and you can change the wheel. You can change this this workspace into different wheel. So that is the way. You can change the you can watch this place. Also, you can change it with scale. Okay, so now let's use the steering wheels. If you use steering wheels, this cube will follow in with your mouse click, and you can click look and drag. It means you can change the wheel. You can change the wheel by this way, and the orbit. Is the same function with this one. It's the same command with this one, and the plan. You can move, and you won't change the angles. You won't change the angles. And here is the walk. Reviewed walk zoom. You can use zoom. to multiply or minimize. Okay, so and walk, and if you click here, walk, and you can go like this, just like you are walking. Okay, oh no, I couldn't find the original one. Yes, this one. Okay, so that is the wheel cube. Let's go back. Let's go back. So that is the use of uh, steering wheels. Steering wheels. Okay, so I have tell you how to use the how to use uh, the the how to use the navigation bar and the wheel cube to change the wheel. Okay, so now let's start to draw in the first three-dimensional body. Now you can click here. It is the quick command for drawing three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object. Okay. Now I'll change it. Change it. Also, you can change the wheel with this command swse. It's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a box. Going to draw a box quickly. So I click here, and you can see the specify first corner. So it means that we are going to input the first corner. Usually we input 0, 0, enter, and the edge is 5, and 5, enter, and then we have to input the height. The height is also 5. Now we get a cube with the edge is 5. Okay, so now we can observe it with different directions. It is a cube. It's a cube. And the next one is a cylinder. Cylinder, it means that it is a circle with height. Now let's draw it. Okay. Okay, so now you can see I draw a cylinder. But it seems that don't like a cylinder. It's just a 4 lines with 2 circles. So okay, now please don't mind it. I'll let it go. I will change the shape when I finish the drawing. And then the next one is clone. The clone means that a circle and with a head and a top. So the first one we choose a circle center, enter, and then I input the radius and the top. The height is 5. Now you can see I get a cube, a cylinder, and a cone. Okay, now this is sphere. Sphere. Okay. I can first I have to choose the center of the sphere. For example, 20. Okay, 20, and the height maybe 0.215. Enter, and the radius is 2.5. Now you can see I draw a sphere, but it seems doesn't like a sphere. It just some circles intertwined together. So don't mind it. Don't mind it, and I will change it later. And here is the pyramid. The pyramid is a clone. It's just like a clone, but the bottom is not a circle. It's a polygon. Because the bottom is polygon, we have to choose the size. I can choose size into 8. Okay, and the center point maybe is 25 and 25. Enter. Okay, and the height is 5. Now I get it. The pyramid with 8 edges. And the wedge is place, and we are going to draw it with a triangular as the bottom, and with a height, we will specify height. And then is a torus. Torus is like a knot. Do not. Okay, so at first we are going to find the circle, the center of the circles. At first we can choose 40, and the height maybe 25, 2.5. Enter, and the radius is 4. And now I have to choose the radius for the circle. Now you can see I can input 1. I get it. And you can imagine that. You can think it is a circle with radius. The circle with radius. And here is the polysolid. Polysolid. Maybe you still remember the polyline. Do you remember the polyline? You can regard it as a polyline with height and weight. It's like just like a wall. So now you can see I draw it at will. Okay. You can see it's like a wall. And also I can change the height and the wells. The height, if I change it as 4, enter, and the wells change it with 1, enter, and I draw another one. You can see, okay. You can see the wells and the height changed. Okay, so now we get many different shapes. So the also a very complex object are combined with these simple objects. So at first we have to we have to know how to draw the simplify the solid, simple solid. Also, so this is a quick way to draw the simple solid, and so now because it doesn't seem like sphere. So now I can change it here. It's a style of visual styles. It's a custom visual styles. Now we can get here the conceptual. The conceptual. Now you can see the uh, the wireframe has changed into a real body. Has changed to a real body. And here you can click hidden. Hidden means that you the edge that covered by the the edge that's covered by the body by the object are hidden. Is hidden, and then the realistic is just like a real things. The material, the type of the material is the it's metal. It's metal, I think. And here is the shade. Is with shade or not? Shaded with edges. You can see the edge of the object. And the and the type is shade of gray. And this one is sketchy. Sketchy that is you are going to draw it by your hand. By pencil. That's very interesting. And here is the wireframe. A wireframe is the original one. And you can also change it into X-way. X-way means that you can see the inside of the body. You can see the inside of the object. Okay, so I think now you can you can draw the three-dimensional object by yourself. So now please change your application to 3D basics model, and then draw some basic objects at what I said, like this: the cube, cylinder, and the cone, sphere. You can try it by yourself. So it's time for practice. Okay. Okay, so 10 minutes for practice.